Welcome back.
Welcome back.
I know it's like deja vu because we started our last video right here, but today is different. Baby, why is today different?
Today is Juneteenth.
Today is Juneteenth, y'all. If y'all don't know what Juneteenth is, come on. Google is your best friend.
You gotta look
Google
it up.
that
Educate yourself.
Educate yourself, okay? You know, they held us from 1862 when the Emancipation Proclamation was originally declared that slaves were free. They didn't tell the slaves, and they held us till 1865.
What was that, 3 years?
3 freaking years. We were free, and we didn't even know. So this is our celebration.
Yep, so we are going to grab some bikes, of course with Capital Bike Share, and go and get some food.
From a black-owned restaurant. We are gonna patronize black business today. You know, I'm low-key ashamed to say that we don't do this more often. But that's okay.
Yep, today's the day we change it. So we found a black-owned business online and we're headed over there, get some food, gonna sit down at a park and eat and just enjoy the rest of the day.
I will say, the weather is looking like it might take a turn for the worse. Shit sucks.
Yeah.
So I have raincoats in my backpack just in case it goes sideways.
I guess you guys will find out.
Stay tuned.
Looks like we're not gonna beat the rain.
No.
It's actually starting to sprinkle right now, and we are going to dock our bikes so we can so we have enough time to put on our raincoats. But from here on out, we're probably gonna use the GoPro so we don't get the camera wet. But it's gonna be an adventure.
It's gonna suck if it rains really hard. All right, let's go.
Some shelter underneath this tree, let the rain die down a little bit, but as you can see, we got caught up in it.
This sucks. Horrible idea. Very, very horrible idea. The worst part is it was my idea and not Lawrence's, so I can't even blame him. Shit sucks. I don't even know where the heck we are at this point. I'm ready to call it quits and go home. Honestly, at this point, I don't even want to eat anymore.
You want to order it right now?
I want to go home.
So that way it's like ready.
That's what we were going to do when we docked the bikes. We're getting charged every minute, past 30 minutes.
All right, update.
Y'all.
So this day has not been going as planned. First we got caught up in a whole bunch of rain. We couldn't really find a correct docking station.
We were in some sketchy.
There were some sketchy neighborhoods we were riding through, so we were just really So right now we docked our bikes and we're just walking to. We saw a sign that that's leading us to a place that has some hard cider. So we're just gonna go and have a drink.
Well, we ordered our food at it's called Roaming Rooster. It's like a really popular place to get chicken sandwiches.
Yeah. So we have about 30 minutes before it's ready. So we'll probably have one drink here and then we'll head over to pick up our order. And then from there, I don't know if we're gonna bike back home. We're probably just gonna get an Uber. Yeah, we're just gonna get an Uber, you know, just keep it simple and just head back home.
Worst part is I forgot my mask, so.
Aye, aye. at this. We just finished drinking our hard cider, and all the rain has cleared up.
Raindrop on my head.
So right now we're walking back to the docking station so we can pick up some bikes.
It's dark over there.
Yeah, it's kind of dark over there. So it'll probably rain once we're heading over to get our food. But yeah, like I mentioned, we're gonna go get the bikes and right over there get the food, dock the bikes, and we'll probably just get an Uber home so we don't have to ride the bikes all the way back. How do you feel about that, honey?
I feel like we should call a ride from a family member so we don't have to pay Uber.
Ooh, I like that. We gonna call your mom?
I don't know.
Auntie?
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not biking home. I'm tired. I am motherfucking tired. These hills, man. Huh? Fell down on the hill?
Because I tried to do what you did, stand up. And I fell over. And I'm not that talented. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
And I ain't turned my exercise ring on. None of this shit.
Are you alright? We are almost there. It's been a long journey, but the finish line is in sight. I think we just need to cross the street.
We need a bike series.
Yeah, we need to turn across. We need to cross. Deanna said we need a bike series. What?
Let's start a bike series.
Yeah, we need. Deanna said we need to start a bike series. She's right behind me. Oops.
They can see me. Know the girl.
Let's stop here.
Right there.
Oh ho ho ho. How happy are you right now? She's so happy. All right, we need to cross right now.
Baby.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Going this way.
I'm gonna play it. We just got the food from Clucking Chicken. I'm not sure if you can see it behind us.
This
But,
is Roman chicken.
oh, from Roman Chicken. Now we have to bike back, dock the
Oh my
bikes,
God.
and then we're gonna take an Uber to go home.
I don't wanna.
We're trying to get to the docking station before we get charged an extra $2. So.
Babe,
Yeah,
remember that one tree?
it smacked you.
Right in the face, because I ain't move at all.
It's the last hill. We're racing to the finish line. We're almost there. We're almost there. Come on. We have a few minutes. We have a few minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah, to get there.
I thought it was 3 minutes away.
Yeah, we're almost there. It's at the end of this road.
You said it was only 3-minute drive. That's what you told the video.
Trying to motivate you. All right, let's go.
Why them dogs ain't barking at you, but they barked at me?
Because you're black.
Not on Juneteenth.
On Juneteenth, you're not black?
You're not gonna be rested.
Oh, please be there. Oh, it's right there. Let's take a shortcut. Ooh. I'm so happy to see this docking station. Oh yeah. Now we're ordering our Uber because we are too lazy to ride the bikes back.
We're not too lazy. We're in a freaking other state, okay?
Yeah,
like we're literally in Prince George's County now. We rode from DC.
Finally made it back. The Uber dropped us off. I'm feeling kind of tired. But look at this weather.
I'm feeling kinda.
See, this weather has changed up on us. Like when we were leaving, it was like really dark and cloudy, but now it's like really nice weather. The clouds are gone, so I don't know what happened, but we're just glad to be home. We're tired of getting wet, so we're just gonna go inside and eat our food. Cool. We'll show you what we got. This chicken sandwich is so good. Oh my god. I got the hot Tennessee chicken sandwich. Nashville hot chicken sandwich. It is so good.
I got the honey butter chicken sandwich. Again, it's called Roaming Rooster. It's really delicious.
Is it black owned?
Black owned.
Black owned.
Not sure I'll ever bike there again.
Yeah, we'll probably just drive.
But it's good.
We're gonna drive there next time.
There's parking, so. The honey mustard.
You definitely gotta check this place out. It's so good.
I'm sorry I'm yelling, y'all, but look at this. Look at this honey mustard. Support black business.
I got some bacon inside. You can't really see it, but
Chick-fil-A where? Chick-fil-A who?
not after this sandwich. Anyway, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.